Congratulations to the latest papa in town, Mr. Charles Okocha, as his 18-year-old girlfriend give birth to a baby girl. Anyways, guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel, K&G TV, where we do celebrity news and social media wahala. If na the first time this is the call for this channel, my beautiful people, enter with your popcorn and grab a seat. Let's dive into the matter. My people, I don't come again for another latest. When I know this, our Nollywood actor, music writer, as a musician, Igwe 2Pac. My people, this matter come out. Say this Igwe 2Pac, he don't give 18-year-old girl baby as in impregnate and say the girl self don't put to bed. My people, the matter come the hot everywhere. When I sabi where it come from, one and only amebo queen here, Gucci juice don't come out. His talk say newest papa in town. Congratulations to Mr. Charles Okocha as his 18-year-old girlfriend gave him a beautiful baby girl exactly a month ago in Asaba. Charles from our sources has been taking very good care of mother and daughter. Congratulations, Uncle Charlie. Asaba, here we come for online omugo. Hey, my people, the matter take day as a day. I see this one, I say no, me suppose bring as in waiting they play. What is happening to our celebrities? When Asabi say just of recent we make video about Yrs 0Lđ and the alleged baby mama when I follow colleague for the industry. My people, I see well, what is happening? All of this, my people can't they react, they can't they talk, because this man a married man and he gets beautiful kids take join. He even gets a daughter when an 18-year-old girl. As in a lot of people can't they react. My people, make we read some of the reactions. He say, how many children this mumu gets safe? At 18, you got a girl that could pass for your daughter. Shebi, you know you have a daughter, Abi. It's all right. Thank God for safe delivery and for these young girls that have refused to have sense and brain. May God help you people. Another person can talk, say, all of you saying is child abuse are very stupid and dumb. How old was Regina when she got married? What you all said about her age and her husband's age? In Nigeria, what is the age your government said is okay to marry? 11 years. What have you all done or said now? Because he is a guy, you people want to say rubbish like you were not having sex before 16. Hypocrites. Hey, my people. Regina Daniels and Ned won't come at self don't come join enter inside. My people, make we read other comments. He say, and he has a teenage daughter or probably 18. So he was sleeping with his daughter's mate. Girls of nowadays, I wonder how they were raised. Imagine being a baby mama at 18. I'm sure Charles didn't meet her as a virgin. My people, the matter get us today. I see I must say, but waiting they play as in waiting they happen. Like waiting they happen. What is becoming of us? Like I said, no, me suppose bring up. We are waiting for it. Since we this cutie just take call out this our Nollywood actor Igwe 2Pac on the matter, my people. The man never come out can't talk whether not true this matter take day on a line. But the way it take day, cutie just say she go bring proofs to us if we the doubt her. Say she get proofs and she go bring her to us. And say when she bring her, my people, me as a person, I go carry the proof and the updates they bring her. But before that, my people, make you write for comment section what you think about this particular matter. Make you dive for the next one. My people, the next one will come out say now listen to all those people when they do some kind krukeke waka business. As in when you know say you no get legal backup, as in you know say you no be legalized for what they take do. You only the carry matter they put for your head like how market. My people, I see the matter say no, I suppose bring a make me to choke mouth take put inside. This one na illegal vehicle detention center where they uncover am for Port Harcourt, come dey hold these people. My people, I no go talk much about the matter. I go leave una make una watch the video by una self, and I go see una for my next video. But before that, I beg you, if you don't know what subscribe, what are you waiting for? Please just click that subscribe button, click the notification bell, and like this video. Leave a comment on the comment section, and I'll see you on my next one. I love you all, guys.
Why did DPO come here? You come. Who are you working for? Where are you working for? Who is your, where are you working for? Who is your director?
Madam, speak out and watch the video.
You are working for who?
The chairman is talking to you. Speak out and watch the video.
See where is talking to you now. See who is talking to you.
The chairman is talking to you.
You are director. You are director. The chairman is talking to you. You are moving.
As you can see, the chairman of Obiakpo local government area, Barrister Ariolu, is currently addressing the illegal motor parks in Obiakpo, especially the one adjacent to the council. Some persons are being apprehended. All the vehicles you are seeing here are illegal. They were impounded illegally, and they are being arrested, as you can see. This is an illegal motor park. We have been getting complaints from the public, and the chairman has decided to visit the illegal motor park personally. He said? Who? He said? Who collected the money?
This woman.
Wait, excuse me.
Where are you? You are charged from where? From where?
Speak out. Don't do that.
Come! So what are you doing in finding people's vehicle in Obiakpo? Stay there. Ticket verification, you are cutting people's vehicles and embarrassing people in my LG without my knowledge. Hey, calm down. If you know that your vehicle is here, raise your hand. Oh yeah, come on down, give them their keys immediately. Calm down now, calm down.
When?
Did you verify him? Did you verify? I've arrested nobody from here. No supervision of them. I'm here to come. If you don't prosecute that man, why would I prosecute him? If you don't prosecute him, why would I prosecute him? If you don't, I don't know.
He said what?
Who is on the work? Hey, come on. Arrest this woman. Where is the other man?
Arrest her, hold this woman. Officer, arrest this woman. Arrest her. Hold her. Arrest him, arrest him. Arrest him, hold on. Not, hold on. If you leave and you're a problem, hold him. Police are arrest. Arrest all of them. They are all criminals. Arrest them.
Let's go. Let's go to the office. For what? You are not going for that. Let him know wrong. Why is that woman?
Don't allow any of them to escape, I beg. You say?
It's my key. It's with my key.
Collect your key now. Collect your key.
Hey, we see the motor on the road. They will collect it.